APHLC on statement of CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council regarding Kuki refugees from Manipur. The statement made by Honorable Tuliram Ronghang, Chief Executive Member, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, at Center Bazaar, Karbi Anglong during a function of distribution of land patas on 25/11/2004 regarding influx of 1,000 Kuki refugees from Manipur is drawn to the notice of the All-Party Hill Leaders Conference APHLC. The CEM stated that he would not allow the Kuki refugees to stay in Karbi Anglong. In this connection, the APHLC states that now is not the time for a responsible person holding the post of CEM to say that he will allow or not allow the Kuki refugees from Manipur to remain in Karbi Anglong. If any number of Kuki refugees has come to Karbi Anglong for shelter and protection, it is the duty of the Assam government and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to give shelter and protection to the Kuki refugees. While giving protection and shelter, the CEM should have condemned the Manipur state government for engineering continuation of ethnic killings among the Kuki Zo and Meitei communities. After ensuring protection and shelter to the Kuki Zo victims, the CEM should demand of the Manipur government to restore peace and safety and take back the displaced Kuki Zo refugees, if any, in Karbi Anglong. Right now, giving of relief to the Kuki Zo refugees from Manipur, if any, in Karbi Anglong, who must be in distress, is needed as per rule. According to media, the government has stated that a large number of Hindu Bengalis have entered India because of anti-Hindu clashes in Bangladesh recently. But it is surprising that the CEM has not said a word against the large number of Bangladesh Hindu refugees who have entered Karbi Anglong. The CEM also has not uttered a word against the entry of 450 Bengali Hindu refugees into Uttar Barbil, Hauraghat, Karbi Anglong, and encroach the PGR and VGR land since 1953. The CEM has not spoken against the encroachers from Bihar on the 371 bighas of land of Irrigation Department at Bokolia Ghat. Over and above, according to NRC report, there are 1.5 lakh Bangladeshis in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts who are illegal immigrants and whose names are not in NRC. The government promised to deport them from Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts because these districts are governed by 6th schedule. But the government has not deported these Bangladeshis. Mr. Tuliram Ronghang has not said anything to deport these illegal Bangladeshi immigrants. According to law, these refugees should have returned to their land after peace has been restored in Bangladesh. We suspect that the CEM of KAAC, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and the Assam government are attempting to cause a riot between the Kuki and Karbi people again at the behest of RSS and Bongo Senas. The Karbi and all other tribes people, Khilonjia, Osomia, and Adivasi people are now aware of the evil plans of the BJP government. We will not fight among ourselves. We wholeheartedly support the demands of Uripok Apunba Lup and Uripok Nupi Apunba Lup in Manipur. We oppose the reimposition. We oppose the reimposition of APHLC in Manipur. We condemn the killings of our innocent brothers, sisters, and children in Jiribam and other places in Manipur. Ostensibly, the riot in Manipur is against Kuki Zo, but it seems that agents provocateurs have ignited it to inflict heavy destruction on both the Kuki Zo and Meitei people, because both are indigenous Indian Mongolians. The central government, manned mostly by Iranian Aryan people, have shown themselves to be allergic towards the people of Northeast India, because the people of Northeast India are mostly indigenous Indian Mongolians. Arnisi November in Koiraporni, Center Bazaar along Len Pata Keron Hood, Ilituma CEM Akehai, Pulo, Karbiang Long Arlo, Manipur Pen, Suri Si Kuki refugees dak wanglo pusipu. Lapen alang li latum phan dak pape dolong le dedji pusi gepu. Pa dolong le abangke itum heno pupe ba mi puda pupe seta nona mara bangke alama bangalapu arona ting bangke. Alang litum Kuki refugee tu hala Manipur along ke chok ke tehing tapi thi klem pik apotsi. Alang litum dak na Kachepachong si wanglo. La potsi arona tingke alang litum aphan rira relief came along si binangi. La pen relief binangi la tomphan. Papedam jam lo te mo phi ko natsi ke do ma putek he daji la si relief came along si binangi. La pen relief si binangi. La pen ilitum matha meme je alang li CM Manipur government ke chok che alam ke alang li thangda pupe alang li condemn ni Manipur government ke thekte la kapaji chok kapaji pitia kam non ning kani sita selo pape do bom apot la ke alang li condemn nang apot la seta condemn di la ben alang li Manipur ben ke wa akuki to malambang e pethetan lo sita non ning ciklojon thombak aprang Bangladesh along Chikurmar say lo Hindu Bengali atom pu India lo nang katpik lo pulo lapen ke Chini lo alam lo Karbiang lo lo nang lut pik alam lo seta ili to CM la solam ke thang da pu pe Bangladesh pen ke wang a refugee la non ke wang mi pu chot takalilang NRC long amen ka we illegal immigrants akahin no pen ke wang lak sira suri trok ke bakta dopu hala phan plum ji pun anda plum ple de hala ta CM thang na bu pe la pen lan chot takalilang Haru plira a family. Are long leche right tip lu. Latuma lamta ilituma CM thang da ningeji. Latum pan plung nangji pu. Lapen aku bokolia ghat along Pharo ke thomra troxy kebrais isi Chiri Pharo ke thomra troxy kebra isi along le irrigation department along le Bihar pen ke wang amuni tum charai thip lu laso birudheta etuma CM thang na ninge je toy thuji pu ninge je la pen lan chot takalilang hala NRC long amen ka we abongali Hindu tum phan moheta pulo la isira suri trok kep da du pu hala tum phan da no anda plum ple de ante kopia posi laga ninge la sini tum mathalo la ke la CM phan RSS la pen bongo sina tum si ke toy si la non kuki bang suri si do pu atum phan plung nangji pu non kapaning je la ke kuki ben karbia tong bong kapachi chok kapachi theng kapachi pithi akam ke claim dia fancy la Assam government la pen Karbiang lo autonomous council itu arlo pen ke claim ni to marjulong police ta toilo pu se pu hasina son na tu kukia rong na tu sitala utor bor bil bethi ke toy te de kente la pen along konasi Bangladesh asor ke wangma puta kapiri ta toy te de kente la si non ni litung ki puje bangke la so lamma la adivas kukia refugee to ma phan ke non ke relief si ke pinangi la pen Manipur government phan condemn nahi pe alang litum phan pu nangji alang litum hadak ning kang sam pape wang thu serak nangji la pen la kukia refugee to phan ta hadak pache dam thu long nangji kukia tum da aning ke hang kang tung le aning ka rong le da ke wang ali lu bang nangji pachong ji si wang lu la pot la ke pirthe ron la ke UN open na pu la son ke la ke ilitum lang dun nangji la ke ko natsi ke do ma rira relief kem long binon relief binon alang litum phan la son si ilitum ki binangi Assam government si binangi la pen ke KAAC tum si la ke claim nahi non malom Manipur Imphal ta uripok apun ba lup pupen uripok nupi apun ba lup puatum haladak la mitei la pen kukia to man pithi waret jiribam ta thang akahe no kali amune to phan pithi waret arlo somar osomar to manda pithi waret abirudhi haladak kachesong do ni kep ta so selonon lake nilitum APHLC ke support dun lo lapen nilitum ke theglom ke lapen nilitum putulang hala AFSPA AFPA pu alo ako Manipur long ako na pe dotu lata nilitum lake ning dok den nitum oppose lo lake lapen ke ilitum theglong lo ning kan isita so se la cookie zo a khe tu la pen ma mite to bong pa che chok pa theng bare ke lang ke cookie zo tum phan si abirudhe si ke claim punak na setan ni tunga chinia tenge kali lage hala mite tum hanta kapisum ya phan si claim lo la si non malom mite phan lok se piti tu no lo age ke blame ke ha cookie zo tum phan la son si vi bom po anning kan si la puson ke claim bom la tung go pio pa si ning kang sang ke wan un ede la ke government atum si kopinia agency pen alang litum si ki chut so si kapasipi tia kam si ke claim athema central government ta India central government ta haladak ta government along Iran pen ke wang ai area na tum si jasemet ke do ke claim hada kachepahem pu an ke non north east asor ilitum north east asor Mizoram tame Manipur tame agar Tripura tame Nagaland tame Meghalaya tame dak Assam anta Mongolian atum India ke dua Mongolian atum sai se ilitum akhai ke lapot si hala mitei lapen cookie atum cookie zo pa hasun kachipu mane mar atum anta la cookie zo atum anta India ke dua Mongolian sai se apot akhai prek jam aposi la Iranian Indian atum ilitum phanang ke lang un e si la kapachi ilitum ang bong kapachi piti seroya pansi claim la sonang na athema alang litum si sarkar lo gente non anda prime minister da wang vedet lang ya de hada kopi polo nang lang li de ju tre kokrajar ka batai titi ke wang hadak wang ba along aprik ta sondak taksi along aprik nogang betepi ne che plang lo te men nang ke li titi seta hadak non Manipur along kasi plang waria tapot ke non anta wang vedet piopon ni kan ni sito se prime minister ta wang vedet care ke det lake kei ke chelang un e pusini lia mata itu Mongolia na kei apan la central government long ke do Iran pen ke wang area na tu se ilitom han ke lang un e si ke claim kapai chok kapai theng akam claim la pen non cookie pen karbia dom handa aku pa ye chok pa theng ya pan si ke claim thu le lu si ne litum chini lo la si litum choning ri la cookie la pen karbi ke do anta che bohong si chok che det nang non mat cookie la pen karbia tung bong la pen akhe ka pre ka tum long ta ilitum che chok che det che theng che det nang government tu mai ko pa che chok pa theng la link ke ili che chok che theng nun ne det nang kardom